Seeing a pre-collision system malfunction warning on your Toyota dashboard can be concerning, but understanding what this means is the first step to addressing it. The Toyota pre-collision system uses advanced technology to keep you safe. It combines millimeter wave radar sensors with a monocular camera to detect potential collisions ahead. These malfunctions are more common than you might think. Statistics show that approximately 8 to 12% of Toyota vehicles with these safety systems experience malfunctions annually. Understanding the root causes helps explain why these malfunctions occur. There are three main categories of causes, each with different frequencies and solutions. Environmental factors account for 45% of all malfunctions. This includes sensor obstruction from dirt, snow, ice, or extreme weather conditions that interfere with the system's ability to see clearly. Technical issues make up 35% of malfunctions. These include software glitches, sensor calibration drift, and electrical connection problems that can develop over time. Physical damage accounts for the remaining 20% of cases. This includes damage from minor collisions, windshield replacements that affect camera alignment, or bumper repairs that impact radar positioning. It's important to note that newer Toyota safety systems are more sensitive than older versions. While this improves safety, it can also lead to more frequent false alarms, especially in challenging driving conditions. When your Toyota pre-collision system shows a malfunction warning, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. First, clean all sensors and the camera lens. The radar sensors are located in the front grille area, while the camera is positioned behind the rear-view mirror on the windshield. Some newer Toyota models have self-cleaning camera systems, but manual cleaning is still recommended when the malfunction warning appears. The basic reset involves turning off your vehicle completely, waiting 30 seconds, then restarting and driving at 25 miles per hour or faster for 5 minutes. This resolves about 35% of malfunctions. If the basic reset fails, try an advanced reset by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for 15 minutes, then reconnecting it. Combined with sensor cleaning, this method has a 68% success rate. Software updates can resolve many persistent issues. The 2020 to 2022 RAV4 Hybrid has a specific update available for false collision warnings. Newer models may receive over-the-air updates. For persistent issues, professional service provides the highest success rate at 94 to 95%. Technicians use specialized diagnostic equipment and can perform precise sensor recalibration. Remember, 92% of pre-collision system malfunctions can be resolved without replacing any parts. Most issues are temporary and caused by environmental factors. When working properly, the system reduces rear-end collisions by 50%.